camouflage for a reason, because we're about to go to war. When I wrote the book, Possess the Land, The Believer's Guide to Home Buying, God gave me a vision where He showed me that as I was working with home buyers, a lot of them faced the same giants and challenges that those of the children of Israel when they left Egypt. And so the whole Possess the Land message and the Possess the Land workshop is not only geared around teaching you how to buy a home, but we also give you the spiritual tools to take you along the journey.
You need that space and time to get your mindset together, because those fear factors, whatever insecurities you think you may have or knowledge that you don't have, you do get that at this workshop.
Me and my wife wanted to come to this workshop because we had a lot of questions about our credit, and we definitely wanted to buy a house, but we had a lot of hang-ups and things in our past that we wanted to ask questions about, and we wanted to deal with it from a faith perspective. And Shakeima mentioned the workshop, and then actually one of the great agents followed up with my wife recently, and we were able to come to the workshop to get answers, and we look forward to the process.
They're going to tell you the truth, and the fact that it was a faith-based approach to home ownership just made it even better.
I can open up to someone helping me. That's one of the things that was hard for me, because I usually keep a lot of things in and hidden.
If you have the right tools and the right team behind you, it is all accomplishable.
So one question the Bible asks is, how much longer will you wait to hold off to possess your land? And that's the question that I pose to you. How many more workshops will you go to? How many more lenders or real estate agents will you reach out to before you finally realize that I need these spiritual tools to possess the land that God has already promised me?